British English versus American English. Trolley, cart, rubbish, trash, mobile, cell, dummy, pacifier, hoover, vacuum, nappy, diaper, trainers, sneakers, rover, eraser, jumper, sweater, torch, flashlight, bin, trash can, drawing pin, thumbtack, push chair, stroller, tap, faucet, sofa, couch.